All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Yesterday we did some light reading inside of our new module, and today we're going to go over exactly what we read. So me, I'll move up a little bit. So this is how we loaded our contract into our contract. The previous contract equals boa.load. Here's we added our favorites.write contract, the one we're going to be using. And we said favorite number or starting favorite number equals favorites contract dot retrieve. We're going to retrieve a number from our original favorites.write file, which should be 7. Then we're going to print that out using an F string. We're going to say starting favorite number is. We're going to pass in a parameter of the variable starting favorite number, which holds our original favorite number. Then we're going to say print storing number, letting us know that we're going to be storing a new number coming up. You can see we have a favorites contract dot store 33. This is how we're going to store our new favorite number of 33. Then we're going to say new favorite number equals favorite contract dot retrieve, letting us know that we're going to be retrieving a new favorite number from our contract. And then we're going to say print. You're going to use the F statement again. We're going to say our new favorite number is. We're going to pass in parameter of new favorite number, which is the variable that holds our new favorite number that we just stored. When we come down here to our return, we can see that everything came through. So you can see that our original starting favorite number is 7, like I said, from our original favorites.divide. And you can see we have a message here saying storing number, letting us know that we're going to be storing a new number. Here's the transaction I went through. You can see this is the message.sender. This is where we sent it from. This is where it was broadcasted at. You can see this number here. This is the block it was mined in. And you can see here our new favorite number is 33. So everything is working the way it should be so far. And we're going to keep moving forward. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. So stay tuned. But of course, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.